Hello learners, welcome to the online education. Today we are going to understand the course content for the subject current trends in management. Today we'll be starting with unit number 1, that is innovation management. As there are a lot of trends which are going in the field of management. As the world is changing very fast, there are a lot of technological changes which are happening into the business world. Artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, machine learning. These are some of the current trends in the management, and that will lead to the innovative ideas where all the activities or processes are carried out by the organizations innovatively. That's why it is very important for all of us to understand the subject current trends in management. With the first topic, innovation management. The content for unit number 1 will be understanding the introductory part of innovation management, sources of technology and innovations, developing and introducing new products and services for the business world, driving intra-organizational innovation technology and innovation strategy, and we'll see some of the latest research in innovation management with respect to knowledge network, technology transfer, innovation in the digital economy, retail innovation, financial innovation, and eco-innovation. So without wasting too much of time, we'll be starting with the first topic, that is introduction to innovation management. Now, what exactly innovation management means? It refers to handling all the activities needed to introduce something new, which in practice means things like coming up with ideas, developing, prioritizing, and implementing them, as well as putting them into practice. For example, by launching a new product or by introducing new internal process, organizations can innovate something new. That is called as innovation management. Now, there are few definitions that we are going to see. First, the author Gartner. Now, Gartner is a famous author in the field of management. He has defined innovation management as a business discipline that aims to drive a repeatable, sustainable innovation process or a culture within an organization. So, when he has defined the term innovation management, he has rightly pointed out that every business discipline is aims to drive the repeated processes that will help them to have the innovation in the processes which will help them for the sustainable growth of the organization. So there are innovation management initiatives which are focuses on disruptive or step changes that transform the business in a significant way. As we all know that there are many disruptive technologies which are going to have impact on the business world, and that is why we need to understand the positives and negatives of each and every term in terms of management. Moving forward with the key aspect, that is what the technological innovation. So what exactly technological innovation means? It means that as new products and processes and major technological modifications which were happen to certain products and processes with the help of technology, we called it as a technological innovation. So there are some of the innovations which are considered to be performed if it is introduced to the market, then we called it as a product innovation, or if it is implemented in the production process, we called it as a process innovation. So innovation includes many research, the technological, organizational, financial, and commercial activities. Now, this is one of the summative table which is giving us the world's most innovative companies 2018 ranking. And if we see the first top 7 ranking companies, all belongs to a developed nation, that is USA. And if you will see the innovation premium that will be there, so from ranging from 89.22% to ServiceNow, 82% point 82.84% to Workday, 82.27 to Salesforce.com, 78.27 to Tesla. So it is what the innovation premium, which means that the portion of amount that the organizations are spending on innovation, and that's why they stood at the top most innovative companies in the world. So in India we have Hindustan Unilever. So their innovation premium is around 67.2%, and then later on we have South Korea company Naver, and then again USA Facebook. So all these companies are the most innovative companies. The source for this particular information is the Forbes.com magazine, through which the innovative companies list has been gathered. Moving forward, where do this innovation comes from? See, it is very challenging for all of us to understand why innovation is important and from where do innovations coming from. As there are few aspects like shocks to the system, which means that in organization, if something happen which impact the performance of the organization, or we can say the phases like inflation, stagflation. These are some of the things which will lead to the shocks to the system, and which can change the world with the way we think, and it forces us to innovate new directions. So organizations need to change from their existing processes to the new, because they need to revamp. Then there are some of the unexpected or surprising things which offers new directions for the innovation. Then you can also have the innovations by watching others, what your competitors are doing, and how you need to change your strategies. So that will also help us in finding that there is a need to have the innovation. Then there are some of the applications or the ideas, uh, in one word transferred to a new context, and that can also have a recombinant innovation that will leads to the innovation. Then there are rules regulations which were there. Every country is having their norms, government is having their own rules and regulations, and because of that the changing rule of the game push or pull innovation in the new businesses is also happening. Then advertising is also one of the area from where the innovation comes, like the inspiration is also there, the Archimedes movement, which can also lead to innovation. Your own inspiration can also lead to innovation. Then knowledge push is something from where the innovation is also coming, creating opportunities by pushing the frontiers of science forwards. Then you need a pull strategy where necessity as the mother of innovation or invention, and the users, the people, those who are using the services of the organizations, can also be the innovators, and exploring alternative futures and openings of different possibilities. So these all are the things which do help us to innovate. So these are some of the places from where the innovation coming from. Now, how do we have an innovative organization? As in this particular competition to sustain for the sustainable development of organizations, we need to have a clear innovation strategy, and how we are going to prepare that strategy. So there is a guideline through which we can definitely have a clear innovation strategy. So first thing is what you can search how we can find opportunities for innovation. So continuous upgradation, continuous reading, then continuous thinking, critical thinking will help us in finding out the innovation opportunities. Then once we are able to search for the detail, we can select what we are to do and why. So we have to decide for what we are going to do, and how we are going to do, and why we are going to do. Then we need to implement that particular strategy, how we are going to make it happen, whatever we have planned. And at last, we are going to capture how we are going to get the benefits from it. So search, select, implement, and capture. These are the things which will help us to define the clear innovation strategy. Sources of innovation we'll see in next lecture. Thank you very much.